My name is Matteo Forgione, and I'm a mechanical engineer. And I have a company called Forgione Engineering, which is basically a high value added engineering design and development company. So we specialize in providing basically specialty services to a whole bunch of different industries, commercial, infrastructure, defense, especially microelectronics manufacturers for aerospace products. We support university research and as well as consumer product development. A lot of the stuff is not super glamorous, but when you know what they've become part of or what they've solved for a problem, it's always nice because you can be proud of that. You say, hey, I know I did part of that, or the only reason that happened was because I, pulled some miracle out of my sleeve or something like that. We built most of the parts for this space telescope that went up in January. They're using it to look for exoplanets. That was pretty cool. It was really interesting. We collaborated with UMass Lowell to help their engineer with some of the weldment design and some just practical approaches to doing their design, because they had a lot of scientists but not a lot of engineers, so they didn't really have enough engineering support. A lot of times we're not necessarily developing their actual product. A lot of times it's things that help them to make their product, or it's smaller companies that have a new product and they just don't have the resources available to dedicate to doing this innovation. We're very careful about designing and working closely with the client, collaborating, sending screenshots and things as we go along, really listening up front to what their problem is, and then kind of just, I like to say, we're like kind of shaking through all the noise. They're talking about all these different things, but there may only be 3 real problems, so you get rid of all that stuff and really focus on the stuff that matters. And once you understand what matters, you can deliver the stuff that matters quick. A lot of times the real fun projects are ones that they're not even paying jobs. Someone's like, hey, could you make one of these? And I'm like, oh, that's interesting. Yeah. And like, I'll like stay up all night Saturday night and like design something that has no benefit whatsoever to me. And because you just get inspired.